Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. In this video, I'll show you how to create videos with Google Gemini without a subscription. The process is quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google Gemini. Sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Next, open Docs Google.com in a new tab. Once you're there, click Add New, then choose Start New Video. In the video creation window, select VO 3.1 as your video generation model. Now type or paste the prompt describing the video you want to create. Be as detailed as possible to get the best results. When you're ready, click Generate and wait while Google creates your video. The generation time may vary depending on the complexity of your prompt and current server load. Once the process is complete, you can preview the generated video and download it if you're happy with the results. If needed, you can edit your prompt and generate another version for a different outcome. And that's it. That's how you can create a video using Google's AI tools without a subscription. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.